Phil Hargreaves. The old HQ.
Yeah, this one will walk.
Yeah, Finch. I think he was
racing well into the early 80s. Mid 80s, I suppose. Used to bring his whole family over in it. Always had a big block in it, huh? Okay, here comes our bourbon band. Here's the Victor McKay, George Coop. Love this thing. They've really got this thing buzzing.
These guys are a laugh, man. I went over to Masterman with them. They were last to pack up one day to see we had a bit of a rain out meeting down here. What's the problem, boys? We've got a couple of issues, mate. And I just said the only issue is then it was cancelled. We had a couple last night. Nobody can leave for a couple of hours. Some discussion on the driver of the bus. Well, pretty cool engineering on board this thing, though. Quick release rocket covers with that sort of stuff. Pretty cool.
Got the fuse back, I've just popped the card.